For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hi, you're watching News 9 Digital with me, Prajwal Prasad. I will be speaking about the pocket guidelines for Unlock 1.0. There has already been a set of rules which has been issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs too, but the first phase of Unlock began on June 1st, 2020, and there is still a lack of clarity about what should be done and what should be avoided. Here's everything that you need to do and how you should conduct yourself when you step out to work as well. So now, what are the changes from today that we have witnessed? The curfew timings largely has been changed from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. and also economic activities will begin from a phased manner from June 8th. Places of worship, restaurants and malls will be opening on the 8th of June. But now, one question remains as to what should one do when they step out of their houses. So now, there are a basic checklist which one should follow as well. Masks, sanitizers, food and water bottles should be taken compulsorily when you are heading outside your homes. But first and foremost, self-care is extremely important and wearing a mask is compulsory and also using hand sanitizers at all points of times too. Carry a spare mask and hand sanitizer too, so that just in case of any emergencies, you will be able to use it. Carry your own food and water bottle to the office as well. Now, public and workspace is something which is important because when you're out going in the public as well as trying to work in a workspace which will have more people, thermal scanning is made mandatory and all employees should be screened regularly. Everyone also should use sanitizers before entering the premises of the office. There should also be staggered entry and exits as well. Persons manning the entrance should look out for anyone with symptoms of COVID-19. And if somebody exhibits COVID-19 symptoms, they should be referred to nearby hospitals immediately, and also make sure that you avoid face-to-face interactions in the office as well and try to use intercoms, mobile phones instead, so that it will also try to avoid the proximity with people too, and in this way you can also be safe and your colleagues can also be safe. Maintain a distance of at least 1 meter from others at workplace too and 3 feet away from each other's cubicles as well. Use folded elbow or tissue while coughing and sneezing and dispose the tissue in a closed bin and make sure you do this as well. Also now, use hand sanitizers after touching high contact surfaces such as door handles, lifts, buttons, railings, your keyboards, your mouses as well, because this is something which many people will be coming to contact on a regular basis. Natural ventilation and lighting is recommended at all points of time. So now you have learnt as to what should be done at your workspace as well and before leaving home. But moving ahead, private and public transport, this is one thing which has been spoken about now and again, and the Ministry of Home Affairs is very clear about how people should conduct themselves while going out to travel. Only 3 people should be traveling in a regular car and 5 people should be traveling in an SUV if you are opting for carpooling, and at all points of time make sure that nobody will sit next to the driver. Keeping all the windows open in the vehicles is a must, and make sure that you do not use AC. And none of the occupants should have any symptoms of cough, cold, fever or flu-like symptoms. Now, what are the things that you should be avoiding? Do not touch your nose, eyes and mouth because this is being seen as entry points for COVID-19 as pointed out by the doctors. Avoid unnecessary movement in the office and visit to other stations and persons as well, and limit your movement inside the premises. Limit your face-to-face interactions, and as I was saying earlier, you could use mobiles or intercoms. Avoid sharing your food and beverage in the office as well. No handshakes or no hugging at all points of time. Avoid public transports in peak hours too, and make sure that even if you are using public transport, you maintain a distance of 6 feet too, and all the states has issued guidelines in this regard. Try to limit the use of public restrooms and wash your hands thoroughly at all points of time. Don't use common towels in restrooms and instead use disposable tissues and hand dryers. Avoid rush hour and visits to crowded areas because coronavirus is a major challenge that we must face by taking necessary precautions. And don't be fearful, but make sure that you sensitize and also be responsible and stay confident while working as well. If you have found this video informative and interesting, you could go ahead, like, comment, share and subscribe as well. Thank you for watching.